Hi, to turn on dark theme on the Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to open settings first, and in here scroll a bit down to see this tab display. After that, you would see two options, light mode, like in my case, or dark mode. So if you want to turn it on, then simply tap it, and here it is. As you can see, in dark mode, screen is black and text is white. Also, we can go in dark mode settings and turn on schedule for this mode. For that, tap on the switcher and choose either sunset to sunrise or custom schedule to enable dark mode. So, for example, it would be enabled at 7 p.m. and disabled at 7 a.m. like that. And also you can easily reach those modes if you swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger your control sensor and find this moon icon. So if it is black, then dark mode is turned off, and if it is white, then turned on. So to enable, just tap it once. And here it is. Now dark mode is enabled and folders are also dark. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.